In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best mini excavators available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the mini excavators list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the mini excavators mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. 1-ton mini excavator with multi-purpose capabilities. This versatile mini excavator boasts a compact design with a 1-ton capacity, equipped with a powerful 8.2 kW engine. Its small crawler and hydraulic system make it ideal for various tasks, while the inclusion of a roof hitch, bucket, rake, ripper, and auger enhances its multifunctionality. Whether you're working on a construction site or tackling landscaping projects, this mini excavator offers reliable performance and efficiency. Number 4. Customizable small excavator with Euro 5 EPA engine. For those seeking a tailored solution, this small excavator, available in 2-ton or 3.5-ton options, features a Euro 5 EPA engine and a comfortable cab. The hydraulic thumb adds precision to your operations. Whether you're involved in construction or excavation, this mini crawler excavator for sale delivers a perfect balance of power and customization to meet your specific needs. Number 3. Wholesale 2-ton mini excavator with closed cab. As a leading Chinese manufacturer, this excavator offers a wholesale solution with a 2-ton capacity, closed cab, and €5 per EPA compliance. The digger is fully customizable, making it an excellent choice for those in need of a compact and efficient hydraulic excavator. With a focus on quality and reliability, this mini excavator is equipped to handle diverse tasks with ease. Number 2. 1.8-ton mini excavator for sale with EPA certification. This EPA-certified mini excavator, with a 1.8-ton capacity, showcases the best of hydraulic crawler technology. Manufactured by a reputable Chinese factory, this 2,000 kg small digger comes with customizable options, ensuring that it meets the specific requirements of your projects. With competitive prices, it's an excellent choice for those in search of reliable and efficient 2-ton mini excavators. Number 1. Agricultural Orchard Mini Excavator, 1,000 kg with swing boom. Designed specifically for agricultural and orchard use, this mini excavator weighs 1,000 kg and features a swing boom. With EPA/Euro 5 compliance, it offers a perfect blend of power and precision. The factory customization for sale ensures that it caters to the unique needs of agricultural applications. Whether you're digging, lifting, or maneuvering in tight spaces, this mini digger is crafted for optimal performance in orchard environments.